ऑल आज है संडे एंड आपके सामने है एक स्ट्रैटेजी विच आई कोडेड और इसका बैक टेस्ट looks something like this. As you can see, 3,791 trades back tested, profitable trades 12.45 because the risk reward I've taken is 1:10. Good total P&L, maximum drawdown was 20% and everything. अब काफी लोग पूछते हैं कि मैं करता कैसे हूँ, and I've already told you that there are certain strategies which can be coded into Pine script which can give you the backtested result and eventually you can automate these strategies as well. Now Pine script code hota kya hai? It looks something like this. I've already explained in my previous videos how you can use AI, be it ChatGPT or Gemini, to actually curate such indicators and strategies. But apart from that, आपको उतना भी मेहनत नहीं करनी है. Then there are certain open source codes which are readily available on the internet, which can help you get started in the world of backtesting, and you can then tweak them according to your needs to eventually create one profitable strategy that you can rely on. Now I'll show you some of the examples. So yeah, this is one of the websites. I'll show you some 3 websites, but I am pretty sure that there are tons of websites available in the market which can give you some open source codes which can help you get started. Say for example, if I click on the Bollinger breakout strategy, this whole page will give you a summary of the logic that is used in this strategy. And if you scroll to the bottom of this page, you'll eventually get to a part wherein the whole source code of this strategy is given away readily for free. You can simply copy the code, you can go in the Pine script, you can paste it again, and आपको results मिलना शुरू हो जाएंगे. Now this is one day. I'll go back to 1 minute. As you can see, there are entries, there are exits, and everything. If you go into the strategy backtested tab, again, 223 trades backtested in the time frame of last 1 year, profitable trades are 40% and everything. And here's the best part of the resources that we have at our expense in these days. अब आपको मालूम नहीं है strategy है क्या वगैरह, तो आपको जानना है, then simply copy it, go to new chat, you can paste it and ask ChatGPT to explain the logic of the code used. Say for example, you can type in explain the core logic used in this code. Pine implements a breakout trading system built around a 350 period moving average and standard deviation bands. The strategy uses position and breakout and तो इस तरीके से आपको पूरा का पूरा एक्सप्लेनेशन मिल जाएगा कि एंट्री एग्जिट कंडीशंस क्या है, स्टॉप लॉस क्या है, टारगेट क्या है, एंड दी नॉर्मल बेसिस क्या है. Apart from that, these strategies are more often than not tweakable. Say for example, the SMA can be tweaked to say for example 15, the standard deviation linked to again 15, upper band offset let's take as 1.5, 1.5, risk per trade will go for 1%, and this way you'll get more entries and more exits. And again, so you can see there is I've reset it to the chart session and the backtest is very horrible. But again, the whole point of this video is not to give away or just tell you that there are profitable ready made templates for you. No, the whole point of this video is to actually explain you that there are open source codes which can help you get started. If you don't even want to use ChatGPT and Gemini to develop your own strategies, all you gotta do is just simply copy paste these templates into the Pine section of TradingView, and you can just tweak the parameters accordingly. And on top of that, if you want to tweak the strategy altogether, you can simply copy the code again, paste it into ChatGPT or Gemini, and ask it to tweak according to your needs. Say for example, if you wanted to add an EMA instead of SMA, you can simply copy paste this code and ask ChatGPT to convert it from SMA to EMA. Now convert this logic from SMA to EMA. That will give you a full modified version. Yeah, Bollinger breakout EMA version. Now this is the power of AI, this is the power of actually being resourceful and knowing where to dig so that you find gold. And we can simply copy the code, again come here and paste it as is. Yep, it worked. Of course, the strategy result might differ. This is last 7 days of backtest. Now this is one of the websites The second is GitHub, as you might be aware. यहाँ पर भी काफ़ी सारे freelancers हैं which give away their trading strategies for free. Again, those are just templates. You can tweak it accordingly and get the best possible outcome out of it. So yeah, you can again come here, copy these codes, and eventually paste it in the Pine lab, and you'll get the results. Then there's this third website that I've discovered, which has the most basic strategies that you might have come across. Say, for example, RSS strategy, then there's Super Trend strategy, there's VWAP and MACD. Say, for example, if we look at a MACD strategy, we can simply copy the code and go into Pine and eventually paste it to see the backtested result. Yeah, so it has plotted something. Let's see the result as well. Now this is the logic, whatever it is. We'll go into the backtester tab. We'll reset to chart session to see the most recent result. Again, it is very horrible. We can go into last 365 days to get an overall picture of how the strategy has performed. Not really great, I wouldn't really trade it, but again, the whole point of this video is to help you get started in the world of backtesting using PineScript, and for that there are certain open source codes which can help you get started. So yeah, now these are the three websites. You can get the website links by directly DM me on the WhatsApp number that might be displayed on the screen right now. If not, then you can also just check the description for the same. Apart from that, if you want the ready-made template in which you can tweak tons of strategies and indicators, then again, just DM me the same and I'll provide you the 3 links of the websites that I've shown in this video. Apart from that, you'll also get the template that I curated. So yeah, keep following me for more, because eventually I'll also teach people how to automate these strategies so that you just have something else to do. You can eventually go to a job as well and cover the losses that incur in your trading. That way your downside is safe as well. So keep following me for more such content. Until then, good day.